Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before we start the analysis, if you are new to this channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. After watching this video, if you find some values, so subscribe and like. And below the video, you will find many links. The top 4 links are for those people who wants to make money in swing trading. Okay, so the first link says swing trading on automation, so you can click on this link, then come to this page here, and then this is the the software I have created, which you can install on your chart and start your daily swing trading. Okay, so maybe I'm the first human on the planet to automate daily swing trading, so I have transferred my human knowledge into this robot, and everything is created by me. So if you want to automate the whole process of daily charts into trading, then check out the first link below which says swing trading on automation. Then second link is about join free Telegram. So make sure you connect with my free Telegram at least if you want to get some signals every now and then, or you want to stay updated. So join Telegram absolutely for free. Just below that, you have a link which says join premium signals. So in case you want to get some premium signals, you can check that out. And then check out the brokers in the prop firm right here. And make sure you join these brokers because I have been using them for last maybe 4 years and more. And they have, no issues in withdrawals, because when you are into trading, the biggest problem is if your broker will pay you the money on time or not, or if they will run away with your money. Okay, so these are those trusted brokers in the pro firms. So go and join them to start your trading journey. Subscribe, like all of that, and check out these links. As I said, top 4 links are for traders, and these below links are for affiliate marketing. If you want to make money with affiliate marketing on YouTube or other stuff. Okay, so you can check out everything. Top 4 belongs to the traders, right? And especially if you want to automate everything, then check out the first one and come to this page. Watch this video to see the results. Now subscribe, like blah blah blah. Now let's start the analysis. All right, USDJPY today analysis. So let's start the top down approach with the weekly time frame. Actually, I'm shocked because I was not trading and I'm not trading dollar pairs. So this has reached to 151 from 147 in last 3 days only. Okay, so on Friday, USDJPY ended at 147 something, and then now on Tuesday it's like 400 pips up, thankfully to this candle only, which opened as you can see with the gap here. Okay, so this is called FVG, fair value gap, and it has to come back, so price has to come and fill this gap, so it will surely come down. That's my challenge. But coming back and starting the top down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly, we are bullish right now. Bullish, bullish, bullish. This bullish candle was the signal. Okay, and then we had this engulfing bearish. We were supposed to go down. So this was the trick. They manipulated the market. Okay. So I think the video which I made in the weekend, the video which I uploaded on Saturday, I think in that video I told you that we're supposed to go down. At the same time, I said that dollar is being manipulated. So avoid trading dollar pairs. If you go and check my free Telegram group, in that group on Friday, I sent you the message in Telegram group that avoid trading dollar pairs and exit out of your existing dollar pairs or tighten your stop loss. That is the message I sent in my Telegram on Friday. Okay, Friday was this candle. So if you would have exited on this candle, then if you were short, then you would not have lost the money, because on Monday the market opened right here. Okay, now why did I say that on Friday? Because I knew that they have manipulated the dollars, so something was supposed to happen, and this is what happened. This gap happened. Okay, so when they did not release the news, that is why the market crashed for Japanese. For what? For Japanese. Okay, so they held the dollar news, which caused the chaos in Japanese market, because these currencies, if you know or don't know, you need to know. Okay, Japan is reciprocal to dollar. Japanese economy is bounded to US economy. UAE, United Arab Emirates, Dubai, UAE's economy is bounded with this American dollar. Okay, so if Japanese yen or this dollar, they are correlated with each other. They are dependent on each other, rather. Dependency is the right word. Okay, so if dollar goes down, your UAE currency will go down. Okay, so they are linked to each other. So that is why this happened. They did not release the actual dollar news. That's why Japan economy crashed. because they are linked with each other. So you have to smart. If you are the prime minister or a finance minister of your country, you don't have to have dependency on some other economy. Build your own economy. Coming back to the analysis where this so what we do, it's quite simple, man. Wait for the pullback here. So this is your fair value gap. It has to fill this gap. The price has to fill this gap now. Okay, so the price will come until the EMA, reject the EMA, and then only you take long. Coming back to 4 hour, we got in 4 hours. Simple. Okay, wait for the pullback until the EMA, then only you go long after the engulfing blue candle. Otherwise, you will go down. Okay, so we'll look for longs after the pullback only. That's it. You need to know what's happening in the world right now. It's not about trading. Okay, you have to understand what's happening in the world. People are there are wars going on. Everybody's killing everybody. Missiles going on, stabbing is going on, mass shooting is going. America is infected with mass shooting. UK is infected with mass stabbing. Europe is infected with mass stabbing, lootings. You call it shoplifting. It's not called shoplifting. It's called daylight robbery. Okay, so world is fucked up right now. I'm talking about Western countries. So you got to know what's happening. Everything is linked with each other. Okay, when your country is on sale as in immigration. Okay, you invite people in your country, and and then you give them free hotel stay, free SIM cards, free food. That impacts your economy. Okay, I'm talking about in sense of trading and finances here. When you invite millions and millions of illegal people, and you pay for the expenses, then your economy is bound to get fucked up. That's what you have brought upon yourselves in the Western countries. You fucked up. Fix it. We need to make money. If dollar crashes, your economy crashes. How will I make money? So just go and fix it, idiots. You know what? I'll tell you one thing in the end. People who run the countries or run this world, they're the biggest idiots of this planet. There are more smarter people who can run the country, but it just doesn't happen. They don't need smart people out there in the top positions. They need idiots. They need puppets. Okay, so whatever. Okay, I can keep talking, but yeah, this is the last video for today, so I'm just trying to take my time. But anyways, USDJPY, look for longs, but at the same time, I'm telling you, do not trade dollar pairs. It's being manipulated. Trade these other pairs, and I don't trade dollar pairs as of now. You have to respect you have to act smart. You have to adapt with the world, with the situation, with the current situation, geopolitics and everything. You got to have the knowledge. Otherwise, don't blame the game that nobody makes money in trading. Oh yes, people make money in trading only if they know what they're doing. Okay, otherwise it's pretty easy to say, oh, nothing works, nobody makes money, it's a scam, yeah, blah blah blah. It's only for you. Anyways, so let's get done with this. Subscribe, like, and join my free Telegram below the video. And if you want some payment signals, you can join them below as well. And I'll see you in my next videos. Till then, take care.